In this video, I will show you how to fix Uber Cash not working on Uber Eats. So if you want, you can go right here to your account option and you should be able to see in here your account. So click on your wallet option and you can see in here your Uber Cash. So if in some cases that your Uber Cash is not working, this is mainly because your account balance is zero. So in that way, you can click on your Uber Cash, then click on this add funds and then enter in your desired fund and then just choosing here your payment method that you want to use in order to top up your actual balance. So you can pay using bank account, Venmo, credit or debit, PayPal, Google Pay, and a lot more. So for this one, just head over and add some funds in order to use it. Alternatively, if the Uber system is down, you won't be able to add some more because it will actually have an error on your end once you have done that. So that's how you fix Uber Cash not working on Uber Eats. Hope we help.